Hello, this is Will with GWA Auto. I'm here today with the AA Ignition replacement AC compressor compatible with Nissan Maxima and Murano 2008 to 2014. This AC compressor is a direct replacement for your factory AC compressor in your car. Our AC compressor has a redesigned clutch bearing for longevity, the factory mounting points, and the OEM clip for the electrical connection. This is also made of very heavy-duty metal construction, so stay cool this summer in your car with a brand new AC compressor. Thanks for watching.